Hi, this is Trending Now. I'm Mehul. This is Desha. Let's go.
Okay.
Don't go. Okay, now that she's left me, let me do a throwback Thursday. Do you guys remember? Close your eyes. Nintendo Game Boys, dude. Oh my god, with the 4 different colors and the little CD cassettes of Mario Kart and Pac-Man. Oh my god, those were the days. Okay, now that I hopefully made you smile, let's go. New drop, the second track from the much awaited speculatedly final album of Slim Shady Eminem. I am talking about The Death of Slim Shady, Coup de Grace, and the second track officially out as a single with 2 massive collaborations, Babytron and Big Sean, a repeat collaborator with our man M. And it's called Toby, like Tobey Maguire, Spider-Man. Yeah, and it's quite subliminal in terms of its messaging. Let's start from the vocals of the track. It basically sounds superbly similar, all 3 of them. Like you won't be able to majorly differentiate between Eminem, Babytron and Big Sean. That is what the messaging is. Even in the artwork that you see, you know, you remember the Spider-Man meme of 3 Spider-Mans like that? That is the artwork of the track as well. It's basically Eminem, Babytron and Big Sean just looking at each other like that. And there is a really cool lyric from that. Toby was bit by a spider, but I was bit by a goat, says Eminem, and yeah, true. It is releasing, and the music video is being directed by Cole Bennett. Well, he is so into the culture that he won BET Awards for the best director. BET Awards, Black Entertainment. This is how he looks. Yeah, so basically he's a go-to music video director for almost every hip-hop artist, be it Kendrick Lamar, be it Jay-Z, and of course Central C, Eminem. So I'm very excited for that. It's releasing on the 5th of July, and of course the album is releasing on the 12th of July. Well, speaking of the 12th of July, another massive event is taking place on the 12th of July. That is Anant Ambani's wedding. Finally, we had 2 T20 leagues before Anant Ambani's wedding is still going on. Speaking about that, I have some massive tea, okay? Speculations. Come here. So basically, Drake, Adele, maybe Justin Bieber and Lana Del Rey are performing at the wedding. You didn't hear it from me. Okay, go. Okay, speaking of Lana Del Rey dropped a surprise single with Quavo the other day. It's called Tough, and I feel like it befits her mob wife aesthetic. She's so like mob wife dark queen. She's already done collaborations with A$AP Rocky, with The Weeknd, and it's turned out to be great. It's called Tough. It's a single with Quavo. So go ahead and check that out. Okay, moving on. There's this one massive movie that we are all waiting for, and it seems like the marketing promotional campaign is much bigger than the movie at this point, because Ryan Reynolds in a recent interview with Entertainment Weekly stated that this was actually supposed to be a $5 to $6 million budgeted film, and it was supposed to be on the road with a walkie-talkie with a sidekick, Dopinder, do you remember? And now it is this humongous blockbuster with dual superheroes, Hugh Jackman and of course Sean Levi's grandness in terms of action. It is releasing on the 26th of July, so book your calendars. And as for me, that was Trending Now. But hey, before I give you some recommendations, you gotta give me something, okay? This is a barter deal. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Like, don't you just love all of this pop culture tea to indulge in? Okay. As for my recommendations, the girlies are doing a great job. I mean, Camila Cabello's CXOXO, a really beautiful album. And Megan Thee Stallion, she just released an album called Megan. It has about 13 to 14 tracks. So go ahead and stream that. Sabrina Carpenter making an album, and so many other girlies are doing great. And just on that, I would just like to throw in Billie Eilish's Hit Me Hard and Soft. It's a brilliant album. And a movie. Do you remember Annihilation 2018, Netflix? What brilliant visuals. So Annihilations over the weekend. Okay, bye. That was Trending Now. Like, share, comment, subscribe, man.